You heard that before? I love me some Cascada. I love it, you know? Alright, we're gonna play a couple more for you. I did a music video for this song with, do you guys know Kurt Hugo Schneider? Have you ever heard of him before? Very cool. If you guys know this one, please sing along. This song's called Pretty Eyes. Pretty eyes, staring back at me so glowing white. The colors of the summer sky, the colors of the world. If love is blind, why do I see you so clearly now? Perfect vision of our love so now. Take over my